A 95-year-old manufacturing plant was suffering from a disparate mix of control technologies, including varying PLC brands and varying industrial protocols. Legacy equipment provided no real-time insight to identify and prevent unplanned downtime, resulting in backlogs and a dangerous reliance on tribal knowledge. Blind spots were everywhere, but so were opportunities. They chose Belden as their trusted partner to help them meet their organizational goals. The result was a factory ready for Industry 4.0. Using vendor-neutral solutions, Belden created a unified data plane combined with an OEE dashboard for near real-time data, resulting in visibility into critical metrics and decreased downtime. Belden provided a tailored digitization strategy designed by experts with real-world experience in transforming outdated plants into modern production environments. Let's build the future.